Hi everyone, I'm so happy to see everyone again. Today we're talking about the animals and science in part 2. First, we're talking about the vertebrates. Vertebrates are the animals with a vertebral column, like backbones or columns. A column or skull. They are like something animals that's like the mammals like sharks, whales, or something like birds. The second, we talk about the five groups of vertebrates. Animals that are the backbones are fish, birds, mammals, reptiles. Like we need to the five groups of vertebrates that have the backbones are fish, or birds and the mammals like shark, something like the whales. Part 3. Invertebrates. Invertebrates are animals that do not have the backbones, like the spider. The spider do not have backbone, but the spider do not have like an animal too. Invertebrates are the animals, but do not have the backbones. The spider likes an animal too. This is like an insect too. It has to not have the backbones, but it was the animals and it was the insects. And it's the end of the smell it. Thank you everyone and have a good day.